What if I told you that some of the most effective woodworking tools aren't bought from a store, but built in a small home workshop? No expensive machines, no high-end brand names, just scrap materials, creativity, and skill. Today, we're watching a genius carpenter turn household leftovers into powerful woodworking tools, saving money, saving time, and proving that innovation beats price tags. In a world where professional woodworking equipment can cost hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars, many beginners feel locked out before they even start. But this craftsman saw things differently. Where others saw scrap wood, he saw opportunity. Where others saw waste, he saw tools waiting to be born. The process begins with simple materials: offcuts of plywood, discarded boards, old bolts, worn hardware. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive. But in skilled hands, these scraps begin to transform. Careful measuring, precise cutting, patient assembly. Every step reveals a deeper understanding of woodworking fundamentals. One of the first creations is a custom cutting guide designed to increase accuracy and repeatability. Instead of buying a costly commercial jig, he builds one tailored perfectly to his own workshop needs. Smooth sliding action, tight alignment, clean edges. The result? Straighter cuts, faster workflow, zero extra cost. Next comes a homemade clamp system built from leftover hardwood and threaded rods. Clamps are essential in woodworking. You can never have enough. But quality clamps are expensive. So instead of purchasing more, he builds his own, strong, adjustable, reliable, and they work beautifully. What makes this truly impressive isn't just the savings, it's the problem-solving mindset. Each tool solves a real workshop challenge, improving precision, increasing safety, speeding up production. This isn't random crafting, it's engineered thinking. As the builds continue, we see more clever solutions. A drill guide made from scrap hardwood to ensure perfect vertical holes. A crosscut sled that transforms a basic table saw into a precision cutting station. Custom sanding blocks shaped exactly for specific tasks. Every tool has purpose. Every detail reflects experience. And here's the real secret behind this genius carpenter. He understands that tools don't create skill. Skill creates tools. Expensive equipment can improve efficiency, yes, but without knowledge, even the best tools are useless. This craftsman proves that mastery begins in the mind, not the catalog. There's also something deeply satisfying about building your own equipment. It connects you to your craft on another level. When you design a tool yourself, you understand its strengths, its limitations, and exactly how to use it. It becomes an extension of your hands. Financially, the benefits are undeniable. Professional jigs and specialty tools can drain a workshop budget fast. But by recycling scrap materials and repurposing hardware, he saves hundreds of dollars, money that can go toward better wood, better finishes, or future upgrades. Smart woodworking isn't about spending more, it's about thinking smarter. And time? Time is just as valuable as money. Because these custom tools are built specifically for his workflow, they eliminate unnecessary steps, they streamline processes, they reduce mistakes. Efficiency increases, productivity rises, all from scrap. What makes this story inspiring is that anyone can apply the same mindset. You don't need a massive garage workshop. You don't need industrial machines. You don't need a big budget. You need creativity, you need patience, and you need the willingness to try. This genius carpenter reminds us that innovation isn't about what you buy, it's about what you build. So, next time you look at a pile of scrap wood, don't see leftovers, see possibilities. Because the best tool in any workshop is imagination.